Welcome to Germany, a land of fairy tales steeped in history and bursting with natural beauty. Here, ancient castles nestle amidst lush forests, vibrant cities buzz with life, and tranquil landscapes captivate the soul. From the charming tales of the Brothers Grimm to the profound resonance of Beethoven's symphonies, Germany's rich tapestry of culture and history weaves an enchanting spell. So come along as we journey through this remarkable land. Let's embark on a 10-minute journey to explore its wonders. From the historic allure of Berlin to the festive spirit of Munich, each city in Germany tells its own unique story. Imagine strolling through Berlin, a city where the past and the future intersect, where you can trace the remnants of the Berlin Wall one moment and marvel at the futuristic architecture the next. The city is a living testament to Germany's resilience and innovation. Then, there's Munich, the heart of Bavaria, brimming with jovial energy, particularly during Oktoberfest. Its vibrant streets echo with laughter, traditional music, and the clinking of beer steins. Munich is a city that knows how to celebrate life. And we cannot forget Hamburg, Germany's gateway to the world. This port city is a hub of trade and travel, its harbor a testament to Germany's maritime prowess. But Hamburg is not all business. Its cafes and parks offer tranquil spots to unwind and watch the world go by. Each of these cities, with their own rhythm and charm, contributes to the diverse tapestry of German life. Whether it's the historic monuments of Berlin, the lively beer halls of Munich, or the bustling harbor of Hamburg, these cities captivate their visitors, inviting them to explore and immerse themselves in the German experience. Each city, a chapter in the grand storybook that is Germany. Every corner of Germany is a testament to its rich history. Let's start with the Berlin Wall. Once a symbol of division, it now stands as an emblem of resilience and unity. The wall's remnants, speckled with vibrant graffiti, whisper stories of a time when Germany was split in two. Next, we journey to the heart of Bavaria, where the Neuschwanstein Castle crowns a rugged hilltop. This castle, straight out of a fairy tale, was the dream of Ludwig II, the Swan King. Despite its romantic facade, it is a marvel of 19th century technology, a testament to Ludwig's eccentric genius. Finally, we find ourselves in the shadow of the imposing Cologne Cathedral. This masterpiece of Gothic architecture took over 6 centuries to complete. Its towering spires, intricate carvings, and stunning stained glass windows are a testament to the artistry and devotion of countless craftsmen. From the echoes of the Cold War in Berlin, to the romantic allure of a Bavarian castle, and the awe-inspiring grandeur of a Gothic cathedral, Germany's history unfolds in a rich tapestry of events and eras. Each monument, each stone, each carving, holds a piece of the past, a story waiting to be told, a journey through time etched into the very stones of these historic sites. German culture is a vibrant tapestry of old-world traditions and modern celebrations. Just as the threads of a tapestry blend together to form a beautiful piece of art, so does the culture of Germany, weaving together the past and the present, the traditional and the modern, the somber and the joyful. Take, for instance, Oktoberfest. This globally celebrated festival originated in Munich over 200 years ago. Today it epitomizes the German spirit of camaraderie and celebration, unfolding over 16 days of merriment, brimming with traditional Bavarian music, folk dances, and of course beer in abundance. Then there are the Christmas markets, or Christkindlmarkts, a cherished tradition dating back to the Middle Ages. Each year, as winter descends, town squares across the country transform into magical markets, twinkling with lights, resounding with carols, and filled with the scent of glühwein and gingerbread. But it's not all about festivals. Music and dance are deeply ingrained in Germany's cultural fabric. From the classical symphonies of Beethoven and Bach, to the foot-tapping beats of modern techno, music pulses through the veins of this nation. And let's not forget the traditional dances, each region showcasing its own unique style, from the Schuppplattler of Bavaria to the swing of Berlin, a culture that dances to the beat of tradition and innovation. Germany isn't just urban landscapes, it's a country blessed with an awe-inspiring tapestry of natural beauty. Imagine wandering through the enchanting Black Forest, where ancient trees stand tall, creating a canopy that filters the sunlight, dappling the forest floor. The air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, and the only sounds you hear are the rustling leaves and the distant call of a bird. It's like stepping into a Grimm's fairy tale. Now, let's journey to the heart of the country, where the romantic road weaves its path through picturesque towns and vibrant green fields. This famous route, with its quaint, half-timbered houses, medieval castles, and vine-clad hills, is like a love letter to the German countryside. And then there's the Baltic Sea coast, a place of tranquil beauty. The sandy beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, the azure waters lapping gently against the shore. The coastal towns with their charming lighthouses and bustling harbors are a testament to Germany's seafaring heritage. The natural wonders of Germany offer a breathtaking escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. From the mystical forests to the serene coastlines, every landscape tells a story. It's a country where nature paints its own masterpiece. Germany seamlessly integrates its rich past with a forward-thinking approach to technology and art. This nation is like a grand orchestra that harmoniously plays the symphony of innovation. From the Autobahn to the high-speed ice trains, the pulse of Germany thrives on technological advancement. German engineers are globally recognized for their precision and efficiency, building the backbone for industries such as automotives and renewable energy. Speaking of energy, Germany is a global pioneer in sustainability. This nation is not just painting a green future, it's constructing it, one wind turbine at a time. Its cities are burgeoning with eco-friendly initiatives, from bike-sharing programs to green rooftops. It's not just about preserving nature, it's about living in harmony with it. In the realm of art, Germany is a kaleidoscope of creativity. The country has given birth to countless artists who have left indelible marks on the canvas of time. Today, Germany's modern art scene is a vibrant medley of tradition and revolution. From the graffiti-laden Berlin Wall to the avant-garde installations in Munich, art in Germany is as diverse as its landscapes. But innovation doesn't stop there. Germany is also a hub for startups, with Berlin standing as one of the leading cities for entrepreneurs. It's where ideas take flight and dreams are given wings, a testament to the innovative spirit of Germany. This country doesn't just adapt to change, it drives it, shaping the future while never forgetting its past. A visit to Germany isn't complete without indulging in its delicious and hearty cuisine. From bustling food markets to cozy cafes, the German culinary landscape is as diverse as it is tantalizing. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey, shall we? Imagine starting your day with a pretzel, fresh from the oven, its crust golden and crackling. Then for lunch, delve into a plate of sausages, each bite bursting with flavor, accompanied by a side of sauerkraut, tangy and refreshing. And let's not forget the beer, an integral part of German culture with hundreds of breweries spreading across the country, each offering their unique take on this beloved beverage. Dinner could be a hearty sauerbraten, a pot roast, usually of beef, marinated before being slow-cooked to perfection. And for dessert, a slice of Black Forest gâteau, cherries, cream and chocolate coming together in a symphony of sweetness. A culinary journey that leaves a lasting taste. Our 10-minute journey through Germany barely scratches the surface of what this amazing country has to offer. We've glimpsed the charm of city life, delved into the rich layers of history, and reveled in the vibrant cultural tapestry that is uniquely German. We've ventured through the natural splendors, from the mystical Black Forest to the romantic coastlines. We've marveled at modern innovations, and savored the hearty flavors of traditional cuisine. But there's so much more to discover, so many stories yet untold. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the wonders of Germany, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming journeys, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What was your favorite part, or what would you like to see more of in the future? Join us on our next journey as we continue to explore the world's hidden gems.